Is your Snapchat My AI acting up? Don't worry, we'll get your AI conversations back on track. First things first, let's make sure you're running the latest version of Snapchat. Head over to your device's App Store, that's the Google Play Store on Android, or the App Store on iOS. Search for Snapchat and tap Update. If a newer version is available, updates often fix bugs and improve performance, so this is a crucial first step. Still no luck? Let's try clearing Snapchat's cache. This can remove temporary files that might be causing the problem on Android. Go to your phone's settings, then Apps, find Snapchat, and tap on Storage, followed by Clear Cache for iOS. This process is a bit different. You'll need to uninstall and then reinstall the app from the App Store. A stable internet connection is essential for My AI to function. Ensure you're either connected to a strong Wi-Fi network or have a good cellular data signal. Try toggling your Wi-Fi or mobile data off and on again, or even restarting your router. If you're on Wi-Fi, sometimes a simple reconnection is all it takes. If My AI is still unresponsive, let's try logging out and back into your Snapchat account. Open Snapchat. Go to your profile screen. Tap the gear icon for settings, scroll down and select Log Out. Then, simply log back in with your username and password. This can sometimes refresh your account connection. As a last resort, could it be a temporary Snapchat server issue? While not always the case, very rarely, Snapchat servers might be experiencing downtime. You can try checking online forums or outage websites to see if others are also reporting problems. If it's a server-side issue, unfortunately, we'll just have to wait for Snapchat to resolve it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Snapchat My AI not working and get back to chatting. Happy snapping!